Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing good, and today I'm sharing a recipe of finger fish fry, and for that we need besan, which means a gram flour, half cup of besan, and cornstarch around 4 tablespoons, baking soda half spoon, AJWAIN 1 full tablespoon, chaat masala 2 tablespoons, and salt per taste, red chili and crushed pepper 1 spoon each, 1 big lemon and just take out the juice, ginger powder 1 tablespoon, dhania ZEERA powder, that's a freshly grated one, 3 tablespoons, Chinese salt 1 spoon, and boneless fish. I'm using tilapia fish, it's around 2 pounds. Take 1 container and mix all the dry ingredients. After mixing all the dry ingredients together, then add lemon juice and add half cup of water and mix really well. Make sure there are no lumps, and then add the fish into batter. Add red food color around half teaspoon and mix well the batter, and then let the fish marinate for at least 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, heat up the oil and put the fish one by one and let it cook on medium flame, and do not cook on the high flame please, because it's gonna burn and not gonna cook from inside. And when you see it's little crispy and turning brown, then turn over so it can cook from the other side as well. And when it's crispy and golden brown, then take out on the paper towel and it's ready to serve. Sprinkle chaat masala on top and enjoy with your choice of sauce. And I hope you like this recipe, and if you have any question, please do comments below, and thank you so very much for watching.